We all knew that MWC would be about foldable phones and 5G, and with the Mate X, Huawei brings them both together in one device. This is a bold move for Huawei, which is trying to take on Samsung's Galaxy Fold, a $2,000 phone that comes with either a 5G or a 4G connection. Huawei says that you'll mostly use this device closed, opening it up only when you want to expand your view. When it's folded closed, the Mate X has a 6.6-inch screen. It doesn't fold in half perfectly down the middle. One side is actually a little shorter than the other. There's a reason for this. Flip it over to the back and you'll see a slightly smaller 6.4-inch display and a side panel with 4 cameras. Unfolded, the phone opens into an 8-inch edge-to-edge OLED display with no notches. But you will notice a thick-looking handle that curves out in what Huawei is calling a falcon wing design. You can hold it one-handed from here and use your other hand to navigate around. It's potentially convenient, but we haven't held it yet. Fold the phone closed again, and the shorter side also nestles into the handle to give it a fairly flat look. That's something a lot of other foldable phones don't have. If you're worried about breakage, Huawei has made a case that will cover the sides and back of the phone while it's in its folded form, but it will leave the main 6.6-inch screen open for you to use. Look closely, and you might be able to see that the frame is blue, not black. There's a fingerprint reader integrated into the power button and 2 batteries inside, one on each side. This will give you a total of 4,500 milliampere hours. When you're running low, the Mate X is supposed to be able to get from 0 battery to 85% in just 30 minutes. Now, as I mentioned, the Mate X is 5G, and Huawei is especially proud of this fact because it's using the brand's house-made Kirin 980 processor and Balong 5000 5G modem chip. It's designed to download content 4 times faster than the current 4G connection, so about 1 gigabyte in 3 seconds, or theoretically, the movie Roma on Netflix in just about 2 seconds. As with the Galaxy Fold, the Huawei Mate X promises tons of productivity with split-screen mode. And when you take selfies through the Leica cameras, you'll also be able to preview what you look like from the screen that's facing your direction. There's still a lot we don't know about the Mate X, but we do know that by embracing the 2 biggest trends of the year, this 5G foldable phone is bringing everything it's got to the table.